Are you looking for a high-end subdivision called Place, Fresh Air, and Green Living? Here at Southwoods Subdivision, developed by A. Brown Company. So located at Barangay Bayanga, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. So this unit is Mica. So total contract price is 8.2 million pesos. Lot area is 150 square meter and the floor area is 122 square meter. Reservation fee is 100,000 pesos. So estimated monthly equity is 21,000 pesos. So option, bank financing only. So ito natin yung unit. So dito, meron siyang port. So this is a carport, fit for sedan, SUV, pickup here. So tignan natin dito sa side. So dito, may space pa siya dito sa side. So ito yung meron siya ditong room. So this is for guest room or maids room, no? So dito is spacious yung room dito sa ground floor. So nakaseparate siya. So may own siya na toilet and bath. So tignan natin doon sa likod. So dito naman sa at the back, so may space pa siya. So ito yung ano niya, service area. So may space pa siya dito sa likod. So pwede nimo to magawa ng dirty kitchen for extension. So kung gusto mo, so dito naman na side, so meron siyang so dito may space pa siya. So pasok tayo. So tingnan natin yung loob. So makikita mo may steps pa siya, no? So elevated yung area. So pasok tayo dito sa loob para makita ninyo yung living area. So dito, ito yung living area at saka dining area. So high ceiling siya, so modern house. So yung sinasabi ko kanina, so pwede natin siya i-extend doon for the dirty kitchen. So meron siyang door dito para sa labas at saka yun ang yung main door, no? So makikita natin dito, so malaki ang iyahang window. So tingnan ninyo yung window, no? So malaki yung window. So pwede natin siya i-open para kung gusto ninyo na papasok yung fresh air, pwede. Saka lagyan lang natin ng screen door. So mapansin ninyo, ito yung door. Still yun, no? So modern talaga. So punta tayo sa second floor kasi nandoon ang 3 bedroom at saka 2 toilet and bath. So ito is yung hardwood, no? Yung steps niya. So punta tayo muna sa first room. So ito yung first room. So spacious yung room natin is spacious, high ceiling at saka may malaking window. So meron siyang mini balcony dito sa side. So, puntahan natin yung toilet and bath. So, ito yung toilet and bath dito sa second floor. So, ito, yung common na toilet and bath. So, complete na siya. Meron siyang shower, clean shower. At puntahan natin yung pangalawang room. So, ito yung pangalawang room dito sa second floor. So, spacious din siya. So, iba lang yung window niya na type. Sliding window. So, puntahan natin yung master bedroom. So, ito yung master bedroom. So, unique siya, yung master bedroom. So, may mga glass, malaking window, at saka may glass doon. So, maaliwalas yung master bedroom niya. So, high ceiling siya. High ceiling. So, meron siyang toilet and bath. So, dito, meron siyang toilet and bath dito. So, complete na siya. So, dalawa siya. Meron siyang rain shower. At saka dito, meron siyang balcony. Yung balcony niya dito is naka-L. Tingnan nyo. Naka-L yung balcony. No? So, ano yung nakikita ninyo dito sa ating house tour? So, yung turnover niya is ganito talaga kung ano nakikita ninyo. May finish na siya. So, may tiles, yung bathroom, ang toilet and bath. So, kompleto siya lahat. No? So, kung nagustuhan ninyo yung unit na to, so, uulitin ko is, ito is 4 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. So, total contract price is 8.2 million. Estimated monthly equity is 21,000 pesos. Reservation pay is 100,000 pesos. So, this is the free ceiling. We have an available also the lot only. This is the house and lot, and we have the lot only there. No? So, this is Albert, the PRC accredited and this should registered. So, kung nagustuhan ninyo yung unit nito, please comment down below and don't hesitate to contact me. So, please follow, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.